SolidWorks Electrical is a client-server application. Although it can be installed as a standalone application on your own personal workstation, the most common way of using it is to install it on a server with an SQL database installed on it. The collaborative server service is installed by SolidWorks Electrical. This will allow workstations to connect to the server to perform actions like creating new projects, accessing the database, and communicating with other users simultaneously while working on the same project. On the server, or on your workstation if you install it standalone, is a shared folder set up with all of the blocks, symbols, and shared information that does not live in the database. In our installation, we've chosen to put it in P electrical data, but the default data directory is shown here if you're running only as one user. In SolidWorks Electrical, each project is a database. So if you were to browse in to the Microsoft SQL Server environment, you would actually see a database file for every new project that you create. And then on the server, you would also see data directories. We have EWG files, which represent the actual drawings, XML files, which are the from-to list information for cables when you use 3D, SQL queries for the reports, and finally SolidWorks 3D models, whether they be parts or assemblies. These are then connected to the SQL database. You can see if I browse into my structure, we see anything with a TEW with it. This has information about SolidWorks Electrical. So if you see in this listing here, we have several master projects, and then the rest of the projects below are the actual projects that we've created in SolidWorks Electrical. So every single project is a database and needs to be backed up. So make sure to do that when you set up your administration.